This time this is for Brenda Baldwin. We did a live and this is what she requested. This is your surprise. So I'm making northern white beans. I don't have the smoked neck bones. I just got regular neck bones. So you guys see what I did. I rinsed them off very well, okay? And let me tell you something real quick. When I've already did beans, I will put that in the description. The pinto beans with the ham hocks, and these are northern beans with the neck bone, and it's not smoked. I also will put in the yams that I made, the greens that I made, the meatloaf that I made. I will put all that in the description box. So you just saw me put a can of Rotel in there, and now I'm going to put my this is it. And guess what? After I put the water in here, I'm done. We put this whole thing in here. Alright. I'm going to put probably about maybe put about maybe 6 cups of water. Okay, so I'm going to put, well, we're just going to try this one right now, the 4. So, on this chitlin seasoning mix, I have a hot and mild. This is the mild version. The hot one, the spicy one, will be on the website real soon. So let me stir it up. See? That's all it is. Now, was I trying to find all these seasonings and spices to put in here? No, just one pack. This is it. This is all I did. And I'm going to put this on for 10 hours. You don't have to, but do it because it's kind of late here. I'm going to put it on for 10 hours, so it'll just slow cook all night. And this is all you do. This is it. This is it. So like I said, everything that you guys had requested in the live, I've already did. And I will put it in the description box. So I'm going to put this on, cook. Then I'm going to put it on. Well, if I can find the little red dot. Okay. I guess we turn it off. Yeah, 10 hours low. That's all it is. I'll see you in 10 hours. Guys, so it's 10 hours later, and here it is right here. Look at it. Look at it. The meat is so tender till it's coming off the bone in the pot, in the crock pot. Let me show you. See? Look how tender that is. I'm barely touching this meat. Barely. Look at that. Okay, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Here it comes. Yum. Okay, making a mess. Alright, and I made some cornbread cakes. Now, I'll do a video on that. The only thing I did was use this. And I was done. I was done. Okay? So, as I said earlier, you guys, I will put this in the description box. I will put the beans, the pinto beans. I will put everything that I've done that you guys have requested into the description box. So you just go there and look at it and, you know, make it. That's what you can do. So, look at this. Look at this.